Welcome to Beska, your precision partner for CNC machining and sheet metal fabrication. Beska specializes in CNC machining and sheet metal fabrication for more than 15 years. Our state-of-the-art CNC machine capabilities allow us to deliver precision parts with unmatched accuracy. From prototyping to large-scale production, we have the expertise to end any project. Beska CNC machines can work with a variety of materials, including metals, plastics, ensuring that we can meet your specific requirements. Beska sheet metal fabrication services are tailored to meet your exact specifications. From simple enclosures to complex assemblies, we have the skills and equipment to deliver exceptional results. Beska specializes in custom fabrication, ensuring that your products are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Quality is our top priority. We employ rigorous quality control measures to ensure that every product meets or exceeds industry standards. Beska committed to quality is backed by certifications and awards that demonstrate our dedication to excellence. At Beska, we believe that our success is driven by our people. Our team of skilled professionals is dedicated to providing exceptional services and delivering innovative solutions. Choose Beska as your trusted partner for CNC machining and sheet metal fabrication. We are committed to delivering precision, quality, and exceptional services. So just contact Beska.